Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix two-step verification not working on Snapchat. So first of all, what you have to do is simply get logged into your Snapchat and select the Bitmoji on your top left. In here, select your icon. And let's go ahead and search for two-factor authentication. Open it. Now, here you have to make sure that the number that you are using for two-factor authentication is working well. Make sure the number is active. And if you have added some email, you have to make sure the email is working as well. And once that's done, head over to Play Store. Let's go ahead and update your Snapchat. At times when your application is not updated, it might cause you minor errors. So if you see update, select update and update your app. Now, lastly, what you can try is long tap onto your Snapchat. Select this eye icon. It will get landed onto the settings page of Snapchat. Here, select storage. Clear the cache, come back onto app info page. Here, select force stop and then select OK. Lastly, restart your device, launch your Snapchat again, and it will fix your problem.